Hi everyone, in this lecture I'm going to give you basic overview of Jinja. So first of all I'll start with how to define a variable in Jinja. So I'm going to start with curly brackets and then the percentage sign at the start and at the end. Then I'm going to use the keyword set and the variable name. So let's say the variable name is value equals to 1, 2, 3. Now I want to print this value. I want to get this value. So this is how you're going to print this value 1, 2, 3. Double curly brackets and the variable name which is 1, 2, 3. Now compile. 1, 2, 3. Now let me just change the value to USA. Compile. Okay, now look, I have these two spaces, 1, 2. I want to eliminate these two spaces, so I'll use the minus sign after percentage, and here I'm going to use minus sign and just remove the space from here. Now compile this. So this is how you're going to eliminate the white space. Now I'm going to create a list in Jinja. So in order to create a list, so uh, set country equals to name of the country. So the first country name is USA, UK, and the third country name is Germany, and the Japan. So this is how you create a list in Jinja. Now I'm going to use the for loop to get all these values. Okay, so double curly brackets, percentage sign. I'll start with for country in country, and this is how you're going to end the for loop with end for tag. Okay, for country in country. So now I want to get all the values of country. So first, when the first time the loop will be executed, I'll get USA, then UK, Germany, last but not the least Japan. So in order to get the country value, so you're going to write like this: country. I want the country name, so the first letter should be capital. So I'll write country, then the pipe sign, and then the keyword capitalize. So this is going to make the first letter of the string capital. Like UK, the first letter is small, so it is going to make this capital. My country is this. Compile. Compile. Okay, fine. I want to remove these spaces, white spaces. So I'm going to use the minus sign here, minus sign here, and now compile. I want to further remove these spaces. So do like this. and then compile. Okay. Now, next I'm going to give you an example of if statement. So, so first of all, let me set a variable for if statement. So let's say the variable name is my score equals to 67, passing score, set passing score equals to 60. So this is how you set a variable in Jinja. So now I'm going to use the if statement. I'll start with the percent sign, and if my score greater than the passing score, I'll display a message: you have passed the exam. Else, uh, curly brackets, else you have failed. Compile. Okay, I have to end the if statement as well. So in order to end this if statement, I'm going to use the keyword or tag end if. Okay, this is how you're going to end the if statement. Compile. You have passed the exam, and the reason, because the passing my score is greater than this score, which is 60. Now in order to remove these spaces, I'll use minus sign here, minus, minus, minus. Now compile. You have passed the exam. The white spaces have been removed. So this is how you use the if statement and for loop in Jinja.